I am Frankie Cortez, a civil defense officer and a resilience advocate, and I am here to share my personal insight, a reflection of my learning journey about data science and artificial intelligence in the context of disaster risk reduction and management. One of the challenges during disasters is on how to gather, manage, and process myriads of disaster data and information. Datasets on inventory of resources, personnel, and other assets. Effects of disasters like cause of damages to various sectors, road closures, damaged houses, affected population, and the immediate needs on food, non-food items, shelter, medicines, and the maps and coordinates, among others. Without proper information protocols or systems, our disaster management operations might become stressful during times of crisis. What if I tell you that by introducing data science and AI systems and patiently sorting out these datasets, we can turn this challenge into an opportunity? One key insight I've learned from the data science application course is on how data science and AI can support risk and damage assessment before, during, and after disasters. Through the application of this platform, we can maximize the availability of baseline data and other datasets from surveillance agencies and national government agencies to develop a more realistic worst-case scenario models in our pre-disaster risk assessments, or PIDRA. We can better understand the looming threats of a certain tropical cyclone or the possible big one earthquake scenario, and eventually, we can better prepare for these projected and expected disasters. Immediately after disasters, when we do, for example, the rapid damage assessment and needs analysis, or RDANA, we can overlay available satellite imagery of the impacts of disasters or forecast data from warning agencies and the present status data of supply chain, alternative routes for logistics, and existing resources to support the needs of the affected populace and the ongoing response operations. Upon return to normalcy, when a more holistic post-disaster needs assessment, or PDNA, is already doable, the same platform can be used to augment rehabilitation and recovery analysis. The application of Build Back Better principle may also be enforced by inserting climate data projections in the proposed engineering solutions and social programs. Hence, we can propose better approach in solving perennial problems related to the usual impacts of disasters. Indeed, we can use data science and AI to forecast, predict, project trends, estimate, prescribe, and arrive at data-driven conclusions and decisions. This is just one of the many potential uses of data science and AI in disaster risk reduction and management. Data science and AI, as we speak now, will become a game changer on how we operate things in our respective operation centers, on how we program and plan disaster preparedness and response activities, and on how we use datasets to complement our actual decision matrices, from myriads of data before, during, and after disasters to massive number of shields to protect and better serve the Filipino people. We need to look at this available technology for us to have more options in our pursuit to disaster resiliency. Information becomes really an aid if properly processed and utilized. These are possible solutions that data science and AI are offering us. It is up for us to grab it or just ignore it. It's our choice. So what's your take on that?